Welcome everyone to Homegrown Videos. I'm Papa T. This is my dog Angus, and we're going to show you some of the best waterfalls in western North Carolina. Back now, and we're going to go to a hike to Secret Falls, which is in the same vicinity, but you got to drive on some back roads for a few miles. So yeah, this is a quick and simple one. These waterfalls that I'm going to do on this video, I'm not going to give you directions to them, but I'll give you the name of them and the town they're in, which this is called Highlands, western North Carolina. And it's called Secret Falls. So anyway, let's go check it out. It's starting to get late. All right, so the waterfalls are right. Whoops. Pretty slick here. All right, I'm up and moving. All right, made it down to the waterfalls, and this is like a little lagoon. I love this place. It is so beautiful. So in the summertime you can come here. Best come during the week because the crowds are pretty big on the weekend. And I've been here before and swam. There's a little tiny beach area over there. You can hang out, have a picnic. All right, so here's the waterfalls just past the lagoon, and I wanted to walk out here and show you the second set of waterfalls that comes off that one. Okay, we're at some waterfalls called Glen Falls. This is Glen Falls Trail, and it says Glen Falls is 1 mile trail leading to a series of 3 beautiful cascades, each dropping approximately 60 feet on the east fork of Overflow Creek in the Blue Valley area. So yeah, let's go check this thing out. All right, so we came to this little lookout area. This place is really set up nice, got steps everywhere. Looks like it's well maintained. So we'll just walk down these steps and take a look. Pretty simple. So I guess this is where it starts cascading down, and then you can keep going on the trail. Pretty cool though. There's so much water here in western North Carolina. I don't know where the hell it comes from. It's just everywhere. Just runs all through the mountains. All right, let's keep going. So the water, little bit of waterfall we started at, the first lookout point was to the right of me, and then it cascades down. And then it goes over this cliff. And then I walked up the steps to a little platform, and you can even see the edge more. But yeah, this is really gorgeous. That is quite a fall right there. All right, so we're gonna keep going on the trail and then see if there's any more to see. What is it? You see something? What do you see? I think Angus saw a squirrel. All right, pretty loud. Wow, that's really cool. Just keeps cascading down. All right, we took this one trail to the right. It kind of forked left and right. I went to the right because it's towards the waterfalls, and I believe this is the end of the trail. There's no steps. It's not really maintained. And it just dead ends into the lower part of the falls here. So it's kind of clogged up with trees and bushes. But I think might be able to get close enough to take a little picture of the waterfalls again. All right, I crawled down here to the bottom, and right around the corner is the waterfall, but you really can't go any farther. Angus didn't want me to go any. Angus, we need to turn around, buddy. Ready? All right, are you ready? Ready? Okay. Yeah, Angus, he's afraid of deep water, and he doesn't like me going out in anything like this. He'll go out, if I go walk in deep water, he'll go out in the water, grab my pants leg, and try to drag me back. All right, let's go back up. All right, well, I think we actually made it to Laurel Falls. Let's go take a look. Pretty cool. Wow, this is really beautiful. Angus, what do you think? Very beautiful. And we've come to Mooney Falls. So I believe this one's pretty close by. I don't think it's a very long hike. Anyway, let's go check it out. All right, I walked down the trail. I think it took a whole, I don't know, 10 minutes and came to Mooney Falls. So I'm gonna climb onto this rock where I can get a view because there's so many trees here. So yeah, this is like really cool. That's quite a drop off down there. Kind of swing around here. And I'm sure this is the same creek or river that is Laurel Falls also. Probably connects, I'm sure. All right, I took, heading back from the big rock where I was standing, there's a little trail that walks down here lower towards the bottom of the waterfall. So I thought which is like 5 minutes from where I was standing, get another view. All right, we're almost there. There's the waterfall up there. A couple little switchbacks and we'll be there. Just gorgeous here. So we're gonna head back, and it's like I said, this is a real easy walk. I think it's a little over a mile in and out. Not a good boy. Angus, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. All right, you can go. Thanks for waiting on me. All right, come on. You can already hear the waterfall. Already see it. Been walking for about 3 minutes. All right, got a little path here going down to the edge of the lagoon. Hello. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh.
You are a strong boy.
A little clumsy though. The name's Angus.
Hello.
Yeah, he's a good boy. Come on. Come on, we're supposed to go over here and do some videoing.
It's an adventure. Go on your adventure.
Yeah. Come on. That's a cute little waterfall close to the road, huh?
Yeah.
Got some steep little steps here. Yeah, it's a lot better view here for sure. You ready? You hungry? So yeah, pretty little waterfall. Silver Run Falls. And we're gonna maybe try to go find another one close by. But this one's probably the simplest one I've ever been to. Right off the road, easy to walk to. And in the summertime, man, I'd be swimming out there. Nice sand bottom, really nice. Hey everybody, we're gonna do another waterfall today. Rainbow Falls and Turtle Falls. And then we are in a town now that is east of Cashiers, and this town is called Toxaway, or they call it actually Lake Toxaway because there's a big lake here, or lakes. Visitor Information Center. We're going to do this hike here. A couple waterfalls. So yeah, let's go do this. Ready, Angus? Come on. All right, I was walking down the trail, and to the left here is a little trail. Goes down to the river. I'm going to check it out. Wow, this is pretty incredible. I think this is one of the prettiest rivers I've been to. Look at the size of these rocks and boulders. How far is the waterfall?
Oh, you're really close to the first one, and then the second one is much bigger and much more rewarding. And the first is just a little bit further.
Thank you so much.
Steps and it'll be right up top.
Thank you so much.
Like a lookout point on a rock, so you can see the first one, and then you can't miss the second one.
Okay, great. All right, come on, Angus. All right, let's continue down to that other observation deck down there. All right. Leaving the other first set of waterfalls, there's another set here. Not sure if this is Turtle Falls or not, but there's a walk path down to this part of the river that's raging pretty well. So I want to take some pictures and some video, of course. Let's go look at it. All right, me and Angus decided to take a break. Angus is staring at my food. We're having some salami, some really good grain crackers, and some goat cheese. I love goat cheese. this, staying right at the top. I could see where it'd be dangerous if you slipped over in the wet area. All right, there's a trail that continues up from that last waterfall. Looks like a little campsite right here. I guess we'll head back. Definitely was a cool hike and some beautiful waterfalls. Definitely worth the trip. Okay, let's get back to the truck. War slap out. And sure liked it. It's a great hike. Angus, he's done.